Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. At right now guys, lalabas tayo. Manunood tayo ng sine and then, kakain pa pala tapos manunood ng sine. Pero hindi talaga ako kakain, hindi ako gutom. So, fries lang siguro kakainin ko. Ito si Martin yung gutom, hindi siya kumain whole day. So, yun nga. Yung suot ko pala, summer na summer, from H&M. Naka-sale siya kaya nabili ko. And then, yeah, basura. May basura dyan, itatapon pa namin. Anong oras na ba? It's 4 PM ng hapon. Tapos, ngayon lang kami lumabas. 3 days pala ako guys na not feeling well talaga. As in, yung sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. Kumain kasi ako ng noodles na yung flavor ba, shrimp. Bawal yun sa akin. Pero alam mo na minsan parang nagtitake tayo ng chance kasi nga alam mo yun, parang baka okay naman, ganyan. Pero 3 days sumakit yung tiyan ko, grabe. Nagsusuka-suka ako. And so, yeah, hindi ako nag-work kasi sa workplace nga ako nagsuka guys. Yun, nakakahiya, grabe talaga. Buti na lang mababait yung mga workmate ko, tinulungan ako. You carry this one, I got a lot of me. You have a problem? How does it feel to be in outside world?
It's supposed to be underneath the house. Dependent.
Yeah, but if it works, it works. What about this one here?
No.
I was about to throw all those things. Clear ba? Yes, it's clear. Slide up to unlock. Slide up to unlock, okay. So, yun nga guys. Kumusta yung buhay-buhay natin dyan? Super colorful si Martin. Ako naman, pa-neutral lang yung color natin today. Yeah. Ano bang bali-balita sa buhay? Guys, nakabili na kami ng ticket papuntang Pilipinas sana. Pero ang mahal ng ticket, direct to Pilipinas. So, yung ticket na nabili namin is, Copenhagen to where galing daw?
Copenhagen to where?
Hong Kong. Where's the stopover?
Germany.
Okay. So yung ticket na nabili namin guys, it is from Copenhagen to Germany, Germany to Hong Kong. Yun lang muna kasi maghahanap pa tayo ng promo from Hong Kong to Philippines. Kasi nga pag i-search mo these days na from Copenhagen to Philippines, Cebu, that is where I came from, mahal ng ticket. So, yun yung parang ginagawa ni Martin para makamura. And so far naman, naging okay naman kasi umuwi kami every year. So, yun talaga, hinahanap niya yung parang saan tayo makakamura. So, normally, yung ticket namin is binibili up papuntang Hong Kong or papuntang Singapore. Anyway, hindi ko alam ano nangyari. Medyo na-off siya. Whatever. Pero, as I said nga, yun yung normal na style namin para makauwi kami ng Pilipinas at makamura kami kasi ang mahal nga ng ticket. So, normally, yung binubuok namin first is from, let's say, Copenhagen to Singapore. Tapos sa Singapore, bibili na ng separate ticket papuntang Pilipinas. Kasi may mas mura yung ganun, may mga pa-promo-promo kasi. And then, maganda din siya. For example, mag-stop kami ng Hong Kong. So, pwede kami magstay sa Hong Kong na mga, let's say, 2 days para makarelax kahit konti at saka maka-sightseeing na din. Tapos, after nun, papuntang Pilipinas. Ganon. So, yun pa lang yung nabili namin. So, hopefully, may ma-check tayo dyan na promo at makalahos tayo sa Pilipinas ba? Imagine pag wala, stranded tayo sa Hong Kong. Pero anyway, maganda din naman sa Hong Kong, guys. I've been in Hong Kong, I think 2 times.
More than that. Hello.
Oh my God. So, you gotta be a little bit careful. May nag-stop sa front namin. Bigla. So, ganun. Dumi na eyeglass ko.
Can I get something to drink?
Wait lang. We forgot to bring our... So that's the view for today. Now I know why it keep on, like, it will save, because I could see here, this thing here, the camera itself, it's like full, but the box is like maybe 30 or 20%. Ganda naman.
Plus the box here is charging the camera out there all the time when it's connected. So this one is acting like a power bank for the other camera. So if this one die, that one can continue recording the small one.
But you just cannot see it, no?
No, then you cannot see it.
Yeah, then you just think like, I hope it fits in.
Yeah, but it will still recording.
Okay. Hello guys, natapos na din yung araw namin. Kumain kami ng shawarma. Si Martin lang talaga kumain. Yung kinain ko parang fries lang. Hindi kasi ako ganun kagutom. Madami kong kinain sa bahay. But anyway, after no, nanood kami ng movie. It's called Eddington.
Eddington.
Yeah, Eddington. It's a very long movie. Hindi ko alam kung nagustuhan ko siya or hindi. Pero sobrang weird niya. Ewan ko, maybe it's like true to life story. Titingnan ko.
We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know. Titingnan ko mamaya. Kasi, but the actors, they are like really, really good. The lead star is, I think, the one who played the
Phoenix.
The Joker.
Why are you questioning it? It's Joaquin Phoenix.
Is it? Okay, fine.
Yes.
But anyway, so it was really, really good, the actors. But the story is so weird. Like, you know, the COVID, it started with the COVID and you have to wear mask on, and then the sheriff, it is the lead star, didn't want to have the mask on, and it started with that, and he got so annoyed that it's like he ran for mayor also, and he had the present mayor and him, they had like a history together apparently when the wife was... It was crazy story. But anyway, panoorin nyo at tingnan natin kung magugustuhan nyo. For me, it was too complicated, I think. The story was like all over the place. So
There was not a lot of K-drama over it, so too complicated.
So yun nga. So tapos na. Oh my God. Yung laway ko, tapos na. Tapos ngayon, umuulan na. And it is almost 9 in the evening. Pero kita nyo naman. I hope it will still work. Yes. Ewan ko kung bakit nag-stop siya. It's because it's slow, but it's 30% left dito sa box na.
30 should not stop at 30.
Yeah, but I don't know. Something's weird in this camera.
Yeah, I think we should return it and find out if they cannot return.
Oh, I have to look at it and we'll see.
Camera is not working.
Oh,
It's not. If you stop at 30, it should stop at 5%.
Yeah, let's see.
Zero, basically.
Whatever, but anyway. Now, nag-start na ulit siya. So, umulan. Papauwi kami ng bahay, guys. It's Saturday evening right now. Tapos, yun yung naging araw namin today. And maybe, just maybe, mag-video ulit ako tomorrow, but let's see. Kasi busy tayo bukas. It's my last day. Because it's not the last day, it's my last day of my rest day tomorrow, kasi by Monday mag-work na naman ulit tayo. So yung see you